Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Faiza Afzal and I'm here to deliver the lecture of class 5. Subject is science, unit number 1, and the topic is the human body. We know that students there are different parts in our body. So one by one हम एक parts को discuss करेंगे. In this chapter we will learn about the nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, muscular system, skeletal system, digestive system and urinary system. So first of all we have the nervous system. Students, we know that the nervous system takes information from the outside world and from the organs inside your body. It then works out how to respond to that information and tells the various parts of your body how to react. So there are different parts in nervous system. Nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord and the lots of different nerves. There are two main parts of nervous system, the central nervous system and the second one is peripheral nervous system. In central nervous system, brain and spinal cord is included, but in peripheral nervous system, all the nerves throughout the body is included. Next we have circulatory system. Students, the circulatory system is the system that sends oxygen and nutrients around the body to all the cells and takes away waste materials. The main parts of the circulatory systems are heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart pumps blood around the body. The blood travels in tubes called blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to other organs and tissues in the body. Veins carry blood to the heart. Capillaries are very small blood vessels that links the veins and the arteries. In this pictures, you can see the diagram of heart. Heart is divided into four chambers: the right atrium and left atrium and the upper chambers of the heart. The right ventricle and left ventricle are the lower chambers of the heart. Next we have respiratory system. The respiratory system is the system that deals with breathing. When we breathe, we take in the oxygen we need to survive and expel carbon dioxide that we don't need. The main organ in the respiratory system is the lung. We have two lungs. We also use our nose, mouth, larynx, pharynx and trachea. In this system, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. ऑक्सीजन की हमारी बॉडी को ज़रूरत है, हम वो अंदर लेकर जाते हैं. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की हमारी बॉडी को ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसलिए हम वापस उसको बाहर निकाल देते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नेक्स्ट वी हैव मस्कुलर सिस्टम. The muscular system is the system that enables the body to move. There are more than 600 muscles in your body. Muscles are very elastic, meaning that they can contract and expand easily. Some muscles are voluntary and some muscles are involuntary. Voluntary means the muscles in your control are voluntary muscles and the muscles नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल आर इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स. वो मसल्स जिनको आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि आपके स्केलेटल मसल्स हो गए, आप मूव करा सकते हैं अपने आर्म्स को इधर उधर इजीली, वो आपके वॉलंटरी मसल्स हैं. और इनवॉलंटरी मसल जैसे आपका हार्ट मसल हो गया जिससे आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते मूवमेंट को, वो है इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स. देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ मसल्स: स्केलेटल मसल्स, स्मूथ मसल्स एंड कार्डिक मसल्स. स्केलेटल मसल्स वही जो आपकी बोन्स के साथ होते हैं मसल्स, जिन्हें आप मूव भी करवा सकते हो और वो वॉलंटरी भी होते हैं. स्मूथ मसल्स जो होते हैं वो इनवॉलंटरी होते हैं. वो दे कंट्रोल द पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी दैट कीप यू फंक्शनिंग विदाउट योर नॉलेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्मूथ मसल्स इन योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड एक्सपैंड टू हेल्प यू डाइजेस्ट योर फूड. सो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में जो स्टमक है उसकी मूवमेंट को हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए ये इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स हैं. एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ कार्डिक मसल्स. कार्डिक मसल्स जो होते हैं हार्ट के मसल्स हैं. योर हार्ट इज़ अ मसल known as the cardiac muscles. It is an involuntary muscle that pumps the blood around your body. Clear? Next one is skeletal system. The skeletal system is all the bones in your body. An adult human has 206 bones. There are different functions of skeletal system. It supports your body and steps you clasping to the ground. It protects your internal organs from damage. It keeps your internal organs in place. Clear, students? So joints point where two bones meet. वो पॉइंट जहाँ पे दो हड्डियाँ आपस में जुड़ती हैं उसे कहते हैं जॉइंट. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ जॉइंट इन योर बॉडी, hinge joint and ball and socket joint. Next we have digestive system. The digestive system involves taking in food, extracting the goodness from that food and getting rid of the waste. The digestive system is like a long tube known as the digestive tract. In an adult, it is about 8 meters long. So, it all starts in your mouth. When you eat food, your saliva immediately starts breaking the food down. This makes it easier to bite and swallow the food. Your teeth and tongue then break the food down further so that it is small enough to be swallowed. When the food is swallowed, it travels down the esophagus to the stomach. The adult esophagus is about 25 centimeters long. In your stomach, the food is mixed with gastric juices that are very acidic. These juices break the food down further into a paste. The food then passes through the small intestine. The small intestine is about 5 meters long and is the longest part of the digestive system. Then the undigested food passes into the large intestine. Here any last bites of goodness including water and removed. The rest is waste and it travels through the rectum to the anus where it comes out of your body, as you can see in this picture. Next we have urinary system. The urinary system makes sure that you have the right amount of water in your body and remove waste material in liquid form. The urinary system has 4 main parts: kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra. Your body has 2 kidneys and they act as filters. As the blood travels around your body, it picks up toxins that are bad for your body. If these toxins remained in your body, you would become ill. The job of the kidneys is to remove the toxins as the blood passes through them. The toxins and other waste products are turned into urine and sent to the ureters. Your body has 2 ureters. Students, your body has 2 ureters. They are tubes that transport the urine from the kidneys to the blood. Your bladder store your urine until you need to go to the toilet. जब ब्लैडर फुल हो जाता है, जब तक आपको टॉयलेट नीड्स होती तो तब तक यूरिन वहीं स्टोर रहता है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. अल्लाह हाफिज़.